I've been practicing my Jigsaw voice. So let me know what you think. Hello, Amanda. You don't know me, but I know you. I want to play a game. Here's what happens if you lose. The device you're wearing is hooked into your upper and lower jaws. When the timer on the back goes out, your mouth will be permanently ripped open. Think of it like a reverse bear trap. I'll show you. There's only one key to open the device. It is in the stomach of your dead cellmate. Look around, Amanda. Know that I am not lying. Better hurry up. Never die. Make your choice. Congratulations. You are alive. Most people are so ungrateful to be alive. But not you. Not anymore. How was I?